Today I'm going to demonstrate for you how I usually do and propagate my fig tree, but this time I will use it a natural made hormone from the willow trees. Before you select some branch from the fig, I highly recommend that you always propagate your figs, especially the tree that was already producing the fruit. As you can see, I planted this propagate actually this tree this year in January, and it already has a fruit, 5 fruits here, which I'm expecting about maybe a month. They should ripe very soon. So what to do? So before you use any tools, please use alcohol and sterilize. I already did that. After that, you select a branch, which I'm going to use this one. So as you can see, I'm using gloves. So when you're working with the figs, they have latex, and if you expose your skin, you can have it like very irritating your skin, or can feel like a burns. So in that case, I recommend always use the gloves. So I will select this branch and just cut here, just like this. And after that, you just need to remove the leaves. And of course, you need to cut like this. When you have this small cutting, you just take the knife and from the bottom, just remove the bark, like this. Just scrap it, because in this area, roots should develop. So for now, you just put in the natural made hormone, as I said, from the willow tree. And in this case, I will take another one, like this. Remove the leaves, and also this. You repeat the same things, just a little bit scrap, like this. That's it. So you put inside this natural made hormone. This hormone will stimulate and basically speed up the process of developing the roots. So keep it like this for about 3 to 7 days. After that, you can remove these sticks and put in clean water. So you don't need, basically you need a few days to absorb as much as possible hormone that stimulates to develop faster roots. I will put this inside my room temperature, and in about probably 2 weeks, if it's successful, it will start roots growing. So this is for now. This video I will show you in stages how roots develop, and finally when I'm going to plant. That's it for now. Hello YouTubers, it's been already 2 weeks since I started this process working with the figs using natural hormone that I made from the willow tree. As you can see, one of the cuttings already showing signs of the life. It's already leaves coming out, but that's not yet clear sign that it will totally develop the roots. But for now, this is good sign. We see the life. So if you see like this, keep it continuously in the water until the roots develop. So this is for now. Now I have to wait for the roots, and then I will show you when roots developed. Then I will transplant in the pot. Hello, and this is Nervin again. It's been already 4 exactly weeks since I started propagating my fig tree. So finally, after 4 weeks, roots already are growing, which I would like to show you. As you can see, roots are already growing. So if you're propagating, let's say, figs or any other tree by the way of cuttings, and the roots start growing, that means it's already time to plant it. So take any pot, which I have here. So make the hole and be gentle that you do not break the roots. So just gently like this, and I will put like this, and then gentle cover. Just like this. So later I will water this, of course. So this will grow in about let's say 3-4 months, and it will be already big, and then I will transplant in the bigger pot. So it looks like using willow tree as a natural hormone proved to be very successful. Second, here which I have it, start showing sign of life, but roots did not come out yet. So I will keep it further. Maybe in about 7 days they will come out. So this is for now. So I would like to encourage you, if you really have a passion for growing plants or propagating trees, try it. It's a very simple way, and it's most likely you will succeed. If you have any question or you find this video interesting, please like it. It will help YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and bye now.